I love Halloween, but I'm a total cheapskate when it comes to my costume, and I always want something unique. The dollar store is my favorite place to scare up supplies for creepy fun. This extravagant headpiece is easy to make and cost less than $10 for new supplies. I already have a stash of glue gun and random art and sewing supplies, so I only needed to buy the following items from my dollar store. A package of 10 glow-in-the-dark skeleton hands, a toy knight's helmet, 2 sprays of fake sunflowers, and 2 packages for a total of 4 lizard eye tea lights. Remove the visor from the helmet. It will be the frame of our headpiece. Hot glue the skeleton hands onto one edge of the visor. The fingers can aim back as here or forward as you please. Hot glue a length of ribbon over the wrists of the skeleton hands. This reinforces them and adds visual interest. I then fold down and trim the edges of the ribbon. Now I glue another pair of skeleton hands through the front of the visor so they appear to be reaching forward. I now glue more ribbon along the back edge of the visor to reinforce the outward-facing hands. Next, I glue a wider ribbon on the back of the visor to cover the remaining holes. This gives me more surface upon which to glue later. It also looks nice from the back. I now take apart all the flowers, pulling them off the wire and taking off the backs and centers. I cut off the plastic assembly tube on the flower center, flush to its back. Now I take 2 petal sets and glue them to the center front of the visor so that half of the petals are below the edge. I then fold these upward and glue them in place. Then I glue a flower center so it hangs half below the visor edge. Now we can decorate in earnest. Glue together 4 petal sets for each flower and arrange them across the visor as you like, leaving no gaps. Now glue on the rest of the flower centers. For good measure, glue a 2-petal stack on the back. On this project, the eyes have it. But these critters are tricky because to light them up, it takes a firm twist on the lamp base to complete the circuit. This means they can't be glued permanently onto the headpiece or the flowers will tear off as you try to turn the lamps on. So this is a job for Velcro. I cut small circles of black adhesive-backed Velcro. These are necessary only if you wish to attach the lizard eyes. I hot glue the loop circle to the flower center, where they disappear into the shadows. I place the sticky Velcro hook circle onto the bottom of the lizard eye lamp. Now I take 2 sections of ribbon about a yard long and sew them onto the visor, taking advantage of the pre-existing rivet holes. To reinforce the ties and to decorate further, I stitch back and forth through the rivet hole, joining a 1/4 folded petal set on the outside and a piece of strong ribbon on the inside. These ties are not going to come off. Once everything was basically done, though, I felt that the lizard eyes were a bit too bright, overwhelming the effect of the flowers, so I took some opaque acrylic paint and reduced the area of translucency on the eyes and added some expression for good measure. All done. Have a happy, scary Halloween, and please subscribe. Cheers!